Guides are shoes that ensure the proper parallelism, squareness and sliding fit between press components such as the ram and the frame. They are usually adjustable to compensate for wear and tear to establish operating clearance. Grain. An individual crystal in a polycrystalline metal or alloy is known as grain. Grain glow. Fiber-like lines appearing on polished or etched section of forgings caused by the orientation of the constituents of the metal in the direction of working during forging. Grain flow produced by proper die design can improve the mechanical properties of forgings.